To fix EAFC26 crashing on PC. 1. Check minimum requirements. Make sure your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements: RAM, GPU, CPU, storage. 2. Update GPU drivers. Go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin and update your graphics drivers. 3. Run as administrator. Right-click the EAFC26 shortcut, then go Run as administrator. 4. Verify game files. Open EA app or Steam, go to Library, then go EAFC26, then go Verify, divided by repair files. 5. Disable overlays. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, and GeForce overlay as they may cause crashes. 6. Lower graphics settings. Set graphics to medium or low in game, especially if you're using an older GPU. 7. Close background apps. Exit unnecessary apps like browsers or recording software to free up memory. 8. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Install the latest versions from Microsoft's official site.